On this video, we're going to talk about reasons why you should refinance your vehicle. I've been in this automobile space for 26 years, and I have tried to walk people through down the path of making good decisions when it comes to refinancing their auto loan or giving them options. Because I figure a lot of people that come in when they have bad credit, I like to say bruised, but I'm gonna use bad on this video. They don't understand the techniques or the things that they have to follow in order to get some of the things that they want, right? We all want things, but how do we get there? How do we get to the finish line to make some things happen? How do we get out of situations that we used to be in? And then how do we lower our payment? How do we get to the end of the finish line without paying for their vehicle 50 times? Giving the financial institution more money than really what they deserve. Remember, you're supposed to borrow a little bit of money from them, but you're not supposed to pay them back triple. But after you watch this video, you'll thank me later. Well, one of the reasons why you want to refinance your auto loan is that you want to be able to save an interest. Interest saves you money. Interest saves you money. Interest saves you money. Keep saying that. Interest saves you money. So the higher the interest rate, the higher your payment, and the more money you pay for anything, whether it's a car, whether it's you got a credit card and you're buying items on it, you're buying clothes, you're buying shoes, you're buying food. That's just the cost of using your credit card, is you're borrowing money. Anytime you're borrowing money, you're going to get charged for borrowing money. And in some cases, when you buy a car, you pay it back triple. Even if you use a credit card, you pay it back triple. If you ever look at your credit card statement, at the bottom of your credit card statement on your bill, they will tell you how much it's going to cost you if you pay for this. If you have this credit card for 3 years and you don't get it paid off, this is how much you're going to pay. So look on your credit card statement and look and see what your payment would be, how much you would owe them in 3 years if you choose to keep that credit card for 3 years. But anyway, let's go ahead and get on with this video. One of the reasons why you want to refinance your auto loan is to get a cosigner off your loan. Some people start with a cosign. They want to actually refinance the auto loan in 2 months. Well, refinancing your auto loan in 2 or 3 months, you got a cosigner on it. It's not gonna, more than likely, it's probably not gonna happen, or it might not happen. And the reason I'm saying it might not happen in 2 or 3 months, anytime you get a cosigner on any loan, it's a reason why they ask for a cosign. They ask for a cosign because of credit, which means that more than likely that next financial institution that wants to refinance you or you want to refinance with wants to see the on-time payment. I would say you need to make at least on-time payments for 6 months to a year before you're able to get that cosigner off. Now, in some cases, people get the cosigners off in 2 months or 3 months, or sometimes within 30 days, but that's a process. It might happen and it might not. So if you got a cosigner on your loan, I would be prepared to make at least 6 months to a year worth of payment. But let me just say this, it is possible to do it in less. Another reason why you want to refinance your auto loan is that you want to lower your payment. I'm going to give you an example. Now, if you have a $25,000 loan amount and you're financing it for 60 months at 25% interest, your payment is $796. In Michigan, the highest interest rate that you can pay on an automobile loan is 25%. So note, I'm gonna say it again. You have a $25,000 loan amount at 60 months at 25% interest, that payment's $796. But look at here. Making on-time payments, let's just say for 4 months, 6 months, and you go to that financial institution. I always say your favorite friend after you buy your car should be a credit union, because I always say credit unions do more for you because they're for the people, by the people. $25,000 for 60 months at 12% interest is a $600 payment. That's almost $200 in savings, almost $200. Let me say it again. $25,000 you borrow for 60 months at 12% is $600. So $796 if you're at 25% interest and $600 if you're at 12%. That's like cutting your interest rate almost, and that's 25% into 12. You do the math. So if you didn't think about refinancing your auto loan, you need to consider it. Remember, everybody can't refinance. It's all about how much your car is worth, how many miles are on it, what kind of condition your car is in, and whether you're viable or attractive to that particular financial institution. Attractive means your credit. What has changed? Are they going to want to buy you? are they going to want to take a risk and have you, you know, have you get a loan from them? So if on this video, I hope that you learned something. If you did, put it in the comments and just talk to me, because I'm always sharing information that helps someone out there in the world. All right, see you on the next video.